Hi, this is Darcy with FX Audio. I just finished installing a Eurostart remote engine starter kit in this very brand new 2021 BMW X3. With the system, there's 3 different ways you can start the vehicle. You could use the factory key fob, you can use long-range two-way remotes, or you can use a smartphone app. And also, when this car is remote started and temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius, it will automatically activate the heated seats at your desired temperature settings. Alright, start the vehicle using the factory remote. Just press lock 3 times, and then press and hold third press for 2 seconds. There it is, it's now running. It'll run for 15 minutes and then turn off. Or if you want to turn it off before that, you can simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button again. Alright, thanks for watching.